Hey everyone, this is phishing emails room here at TryHackMe. So this will be phishing emails number one, room one, learning all of the components that make up an email. So let's get into task one introduction. Spam and phishing are common social engineering attacks. In social engineering, phishing attack vectors can be a phone call, a text message, or an email. As you should have already guessed, our focus is on an email on the attack vector. We should all be somewhat familiar with what spam is. No matter what, these emails somehow find their way into our inboxes. The first email classified as spam dates back to 1978 and is still thriving today in 2021. Well, it's 2022 right now, but it's still true. Phishing is a serious attack vector that you, as a defender, will have to defend against. An organization can follow all of the recommended guidelines when it comes to building a layered defense strategy. Still, all it takes is an inexperienced and unsuspecting user within your corporate environment to click on a link or download and run a malicious attachment, which may provide an attacker a foothold into your network. Many products help combat spam and phishing, but realistically, these emails can still get through. When they do, as a security analyst, you need to know how to analyze these emails to determine if they're malicious or benign. Furthermore, you will need to gather information about the email to update your security products to prevent malicious emails from making their way back into a user's inbox. In this room, we'll look at the components involved with sending emails across the internet and how to analyze email headers. Deploy the virtual machine attached to this task. It will be visible on the split screen, etc., etc. And there we go. That will be all we have to do for this one. And I will see you all in task number 2, the email address, and I'll already have the attack box launched for that one. But I will see you all in that one. Thank you.